Hey, it's Mike Johnson. This is your June market update. We're breaking down the two most important things happening right now in the Greater Golden Horseshoe real estate market. Most of my private clients always ask me these two things. One, has the value of my home gone up or down? Two, if I wanted to sell my home today, how long would it take? Let's get into it. Detached home prices down 2.6% year over year, attached homes down 7.4% year over year, and condo apartments down 13.2% year over year. Just like last month, many neighborhoods across the Greater Golden Horseshoe are sitting in balanced or buyer's market territory. So, what does that mean for you if you wanted to sell your home right now? If you were to list today using my advanced video marketing strategies, it would take you approximately 3 to 5 weeks to sell, depending on your exact area. So here's the move. Just reply home value, text me home value, and I'll send you the most up-to-date value of your home. Or if you want to do a deep dive on what all of this means for you, click the link and book a complimentary strategy call with me. We'll break this down together and build you a winning plan. Thank you very much and have a great day.